So guys, I don't know if you saw this video showing this building of studio apartments. If you didn't, please check it out later. Taking the opportunity to highlight that this voice was used in this video.
Welcome to an amazing real estate investment project related to a building of studio apartments with 12 units and 2 commercial spaces.
Which I think is much better than mine despite being robotic. But quite a lot of people complain saying, my speech is better.
Fee for you.
Are you sure about this, guys? Anyway, here we are again. And let me tell you, this project had tweaks I'd like you to see. Follow here with me that the studio apartments will remain as they are, as we will make changes here in the commercial rooms. Look, first we are clearing this free area at the back. Now the store occupies all this part of the back of the land. And the stairs come out from the middle and go to the back like this. And you can take advantage here below this part with a storage or toilet. Initially, it's just one store opened here in the center. And this situation of the 2 stores is something for the future. So in the project, we are considering, for example, these 2 stairs so that in the future, they can be 2 separate stores, each with its own staircase leading to the 2nd floor in the mezzanines. However, when it comes to construction, only 1 staircase will be made. But if needed, everything will be as prepared as possible for this. Here at the front on this side, we are also moving forward and occupying everything. These are the modifications to be made here in the store, which is on the 1st floor. And of course, it affects the 2nd floor. Look how it was before. Now, it will adjust according to the modifications in the store below. For example, here in the back, not only taking up everything, but also with the stairs in this new position. We need to keep this cut out so we can have some windows here. Where the cutoff is, due to the 1.5 meters, the window needs to be set back from the boundary. Just as this needs to be 75 centimeters from the boundary. Where next there are 2 bathrooms, male and female. With that same logic we used below. If necessary, you can close here and form another overstore next to it, including with 2 more bathrooms, referring to this new and possible store that at first won't be built, but if necessary, it will be prepared here for that to happen. Where were these modifications, gentlemen? With this additional detail. They ask to remove this trash and gas space from here. Remove and make a motorcycle parking. Thank you for your presence and see you later.
This is the final result after the adjustments. It hasn't changed much as we can observe. It remains a beautiful and robust building. I, on the other hand, got a bit pissed off. Why didn't you like my robot voice? Bye bye.